Started with a plan and a blank screen, turn it to a blueprint for the whole team. Everyday people, big league dream. Log in, light up, data in my face, no love. I can see the story in the lines. Every candle talking about decline. Clarity, cut through the noise of me. Dashboard steady, hard on knees. I ain't guessing I got keys. Rob at the vision like why not them? Why can't a nurse straight like a top 10? Why can't a kid from a small town win? Give him the tools and watch him begin. Wealth charts, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the way. Brought you the map, now we chart our own page. Wealth charts, everyday people on their way. Numbers on the screen, but I see time. Minutes in the miles on the same grind. Smart tech turning into past. Risk in my hand, I can do the math. Split my screen, got my goals in view. Red, green, off, feeding what I do. No more fear when the trend pulls back. I got rules, I don't gotta react. He built a lane for the rest of us. Trust in the system, system built on trust. Teacher and a trader, that's a double edge. Cutting out the doubt, putting hope in the wealth charts. I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the waves. Brought you the map, now we chart our own page. Wealth charts, everyday people on their way. Zoom out, I can see the life I pick. Zoom in, every level, every tick. One screen, but it's bigger than a trade. It's a promise to myself I'm gonna stay. Wealth chart, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the waves. Brought you the map, now we chart our own page. Wealth charts, everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way.
Yeah, we call it the wick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, wick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank on the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
So we bank on the This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome to the happy hour. What's up?
What's good, man? Y'all on? What y'all on, man?
My boyfriend.
What is y'all on?
How'd you guys do this morning?
I did pretty good. I made 722 on all the PAs.
Hell yeah.
Got my bread and got right the fuck up out of there.
Bro, I'm you know when you fumble just like a smidge bit? Just a smidge bit? Because I could have made $7,000. It was one of those things that I'm like, I don't want to hold the trade. Because like the way that this market is, I got out like halfway there, like at 3,500. But it hit my overall target. Go ahead.
We're gonna announce that soon, brother. What you were saying, Izzy?
Oh no, I was just saying that I got out halfway there. I got out at 3,500. But to see, after the fact that my TP got hit, and I was like, But it came back to almost my entry. So it was like, I could have lost it all. So I'm not mad, but like, just a smidge bit of FOMO.
Oh, that boy 11 is a mod now? Okay, then. That hit that. Hey, yo, Coach, why do they have you driving the Charger? It feels racial. I actually hate them cars. So.
He's a mod for FFF.
For FFF? Oh shit, he's a mod.
Yeah, he cannot win anything anymore. So whenever he keeps on begging for those accounts, it's a no.
Guess he didn't think that one through.
Yeah, I just read through the chat, through the mod chat.
YouTube, what's that word, man? How we did this morning? CC, what's up, my boy? I gotta be honest with y'all, I'm a little bit conflicted. But no, not necessarily.
I am. I don't have, like, I think I want to see buys. Just because, like, we are all the way down there already. So a retracement back into the range wouldn't be like...
Smooth operator, what's that word, brother? Fib 2 is cool. Fib 2 is cool. How can you guys typically tell when market wants to explode up or tank down? We can't really tell. We just have an idea, to be honest.
Yeah. It's just a market cycle, right? Like we literally expanded and sold all day. So naturally, you need to have a retracement, right?
I low-key feel like that retracement happened though. This shit went down from 23.25 all the way to 165.
But it's also Monday. Are we gonna just keep on selling the first day of the week? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, I could be dead as wrong. That daily candle is ugly as hell.
Yeah, I was looking at the higher time frames. We tapped into a nice little daily and rejected.
We have a daily fair value gap that ideally, I think we could flip bullish into the fair value gap. We need some sort of pullback. What are the news for the week? I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna see how the fucking gap opens up. Because we are in the middle of the range. So it's kind of like, I feel like it's very 50-50.
Did some mobile trading on vacation this weekend. Yesterday, Asia, good shit. That boy is up 13.90. That's good breach right there. That's good money. That's good money. I'm on my last 2 days until payout. I'm getting a little antsy. Yeah, bro. If you have that feeling, bro, sit back and enjoy the show unless you see something clear. Because that's how you go on tilt.
You know what? How about this? I'm not going to do any work. I'm just going to let my indicator tell me what he wants to do.
Chris Smith made 800 on the Lucid 50K eval. That's good money right there, boy. That's good shit right there. YouTube, smash that like button. It's 150 of y'all in here. And if I gotta ask again by like 7 o'clock, I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all are grits. Not even on that.
What does
today.
grits mean? I don't know. I never heard grits before.
So grits means you're fucked. That means you're fucked.
So I'm not grits.
If I don't have 100 likes by 7 p.m., they are grits for sure.
They are. I'm not.
Yeah, you're not. Yeah, I'm not even on that today, but unless you're trying to be grits, Daisy.
Sounds like a lot of work.
Because by the time the show ends, boys, motherfucking bedtime. I'm already knowing how you rock.
Shit, last body time for the dogs is 10:30.
Oh, you got plenty of time to get grits. Like what, 3 hours? Are you a butter or sugar man for your grits? Sugar and grits, I've never had it, and I don't think that's something. My family don't do that. Give me butter, salt, and pepper.
Sugar?
Yeah, sugar and grits sound kind of wicked, but I know there's a lot of people that do that though, so I can't act like it's something crazy. But give me butter, salt, and pepper, and I'm straight.
Baby, we need to brush your teeth. Why do they look like that? Didn't we just get your teeth cleaned? I need to call your vet.
You see Lama the Hut? Damn, why y'all did my boy like that?
Call Naples dentist. Oh, we gapped up.
Yeah, dog.
Here.
Ah, fuck. The fuck was that?
What happened?
Like I cut my finger. I didn't cut it, but that shit felt like I cut it. That bitch. The fuck? Shit definitely gapped up though.
Mm-hmm. What did I say? My indicator called to buy. Baby, can you go lay down over here, please?
Fired off the
How
buy.
does this work? It did. Waiting for a retest because he called like on the first candle up.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Looks like this bitch want to keep going. There's nothing stopping it until maybe 148. Maybe. We're in the 15-minute right now, but
I want to be a little patient, wait for a pullback into the gap.
I'm with you when you're right. I'm with you when you're right. You trying to get workers comp? Nah, bro. I'm a trader.
Works
Bro.
comp? That's insane.
I don't get workers comp as a trader, bro. As long as I can use my right hand to click this button, I'll be all right.
Or your left, because even when I got my fucking right finger injured, my one finger that I used to click the mouse, I was like, bro, this is so inconvenient. I have to click things with my left hand. The one finger that I used to click to press buy or sell.
I would have switched to the middle finger real quick. Middle finger.
That's what I've been using is my middle finger, because like I have this little, what is this shit called? Fingerprint. It doesn't recognize my fingerprint anymore. I have to switch to my middle finger. It fired up another buy. What the fuck? Why is my account not letting? Oh, it did right now. Oh, we.
Feel like I may have to test the May. I need to see how this candle closes. We did just come up to a 15 minutes, so it's kind of like walkie.
There it is. Bailey, if you do not leave my plant alone.
That's exactly what I was waiting on.
Yeah. Might test the buys from here. Yep. Oh, shit. As soon as I said that. Indicator for the win.
Hesitated. I'm a bum. Hesitated like a fucking bum. It is what it is. If I get a pullback, I'll jump in. Oh, you know what? This is what I'm gonna do.
I'm just gonna target the previous high at 165. 165. Every time my dogs get out of line, that is insane work. Yeah, I'm not trying to do nothing crazy. I'm just gonna hold to 165 and call it a day. One and done. I'm trying to be better.
With you. I'm 100% with you.
Like, especially the girls, like, you guys gotta be very self-aware. Like, especially me knowing that I'm about to have my period, I'm like, I'm very prone to tilting. I need to keep my emotions in check. I'm just with one contract. I'm just gonna go break even. And boom. It is what it is at this point.
5K done for the day. Good shit, y'all. Good shit, bro.
My day was good. I got into the cells on NQ. What else did I do? I got sushi for lunch. That was great. I dropped my dog off to training. Then I picked her up back from training. I don't know what else did I do today. I worked on some stuff that I have coming up. I'm working on a ton of like different little projects that like it's really fun. I have a bunch of surprises for y'all. Oh, I thought my dog ate a bee earlier.
A
He
beat.
might have eaten it. Yeah, I don't know if he ate it or not, but he was definitely doing the sound.
Who that? My boy Bailey?
Yeah, this he's special.
Yeah, I'm already knowing. That boy crazy.
Yep. So I don't know if he ate the bee or not, but I gave him some water and some food. Can,
How the fuck did he manage to eat a beet?
I have a ton of bees on my backyard. I don't know where they came from, like the spring and shit. And then he just saw them flying. He's like, chomp. And I'm like, bro. Yeah. Or might have been a wasp. I generally don't know, but he didn't go into an athletic shock, so I think he's okay.
That's good. That is good. Right to 148 on the dot, like you said, then reaction. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, Twin Ski.
I know. I got taken out of break even.
Yeah, that was that 15-minute that I was talking about.
15-minute. Oh, I see it.
15-minute. And I mean, I wanted it to tap this 1 minute a little bit more. Well, it didn't even tap it, like it's just under it. So
Yeah, I see exactly what you see. I also that's why I like we didn't even get to it. That's why I think we still have more room to go up. I think we're gonna retest the gap right now. But that would have been a good like quick short scalp at the
yeah,
bare minimum.
jumped in there. I already covered 330. So now I am looking to take another partial at 111 right at the opening of that gap. Right at the opening of the gap, I will be taking another partial.
I am patiently waiting to see if we're gonna buy up. I'm not interested in getting in right here.
And motherfucking that'll also be the retest of that 2-minute inversion. Yeah, I got pretty good targets. Either way, this trade cannot harm me. We're rolling. Got 500 still rolling. I'm gonna be smart and click one there. Because I do know that we are inside a bullish fair value gap. And if it does want to come up, it can come up from right here. Letting 250 run,
exactly
500 off the table. We're chilling.
That is exactly what I'm looking for to see if we're gonna hold that or not.
I just need
We're
one
gonna
more stretch.
retest the gap.
One more stretch. Don't wake me out a fucking point away, bro. 2 points away. Don't do me like that, homie. I'm more true to the game than that, homie. Feel this wick, tap that gap, and then you can do whatever the fuck you want to do. I ain't gonna lie. At that point, I don't care. I'll probably be up like 630 on these accounts. And then I'll be break even. There we go. There we go. One more stretch. One more stretch. You bitch. All right, I'm not gonna be a dick about. Oh,
You're in it. Oh shit.
took everything instead of a partial.
I got in for buys right there. So
Oh, because I forgot to change my number at the top. Because I was not gonna be a dick about a motherfucking tick. 835, give me that. I don't care. 835, first 12 minutes of market open. Give me that. I'll take that. Give me that. I'll take that. She goes to the
I
moon.
got in for buys. Yeah.
Hell yeah, green is green.
Like $100. So like
Cause is that a bedazzled beanie? I wouldn't say bedazzled.
it is bedazzled.
This is I don't know, bro.
It is
Wait.
bedazzled.
You a fancy. What the hell is a fancy? Are you is that a gay joke? Well, damn.
Why does he have to be a gay joke? The beanie is 100% bedazzled.
Nah, Baldan just called me a fancy. I don't know what the hell a fancy is, but
I mean, isn't he just trying to say that you're fancy?
no. I know Baldan. I know Baldan. I know him. That's he's not saying that at all.
I'm dead.
I know my boy. If I know him like I do know him, there's a hidden joke behind that. Chill out of thing. He try to say I was sweet. Man, listen. This is drip, homie. If I put a nice fit on with this, I'm ready for a picture.
I'm ready for a picture. It's crazy
Ready
word.
for a picture.
I actually I did 2 minis.
He says a nice type
Because
of
my here, where was I? Oh yeah, right here. That was my take profit. Because this stop loss was so tight. Instead of $100, I was like, well, fuck it. I might as well just do 200.
Oh my gosh, I went with 100 micros. See, I told you that boy Danny, that boy's slow. Tell you, he's psycho for real.
100 micros? Do they even let you? Because like,
Yeah, you can do up to
don't they
100.
deny you?
No, you can do up to
Huh?
150. 15 minutes, 150 micros.
15 minutes. What's that? 150K? Are you sure you can do that? Is wild.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll be honest with y'all. I'm probably gonna take my 835 and be donezo. That's a great day at Asia. End up trying to pass these accounts tomorrow. I am not tripping on that. Hey, y'all, stop sending me friend requests, bro. I get like 100 of them shits a day, bro.
You don't want to be friends with them?
We can be friends, but
Are you
it's
too
like,
cool now?
no, it's not about that.
That's crazy. You're too famous? Can I have your autograph?
You're famous. I'm just coach. I'm just coach. I'm just coach, man.
It's the bedazzle beanie is getting to you.
These are my bedazzled.
Brandon.
Yeah, I'm just Brandon, bro. Brandon Matthews. I'm just Brandon Matthews, man.
That is the widest name that you could have think of. Like, you didn't even want it to be associated with like a black with that name. Like, you're doing a whole different like race. Oh, can we get a Brandon impersonation voice, please?
Call me.
Beep beep.
You know, I don't answer on the first ring because I'm like, who the hell is this? So you gotta.
I was literally about to say, yeah.
Brandon is for the unknown numbers, or when I'm ordering
Beep,
food.
beep.
Damn, look at this
Beep.
guy.
I know, I'm on it. I'm up $400.
Hello?
Hi. Am I speaking with Coach?
No, you have the wrong number, bye. Boom. That's Brandon Matthews, man. That's Brandon Matthews, man.
It's diabolical.
That boy a legend in these streets, man. That boy Brandon Matthews, man.
That is
He said
diabolical.
he sounds loyal.
He sounds loyal. He sounds like his credit scores at least 800.
All right, so I got a good impersonation. Bad. You said, why bro sounds Chinese? Can you tell me when you go long or short so I know? Asian, we did say it. I'm not gonna lie,
Yeah, we're hedging. So he's going short and I'm going long. So you just pick whichever one you want.
with the buys from the time Izzy called it, she actually was like right at entry for a couple minutes too. So you probably just gotta pay attention, bro.
Yeah, you could have picked whatever you wanted. You could have picked the sells, you could have picked the buys. We did both.
Right, Habibi. Yeah, I made 835 on the shorts, and I didn't take the buys, which I should have. I feel like
I'm up $300 on the buy right now, but I don't know. I don't feel that great about it, but I might break even on it.
Coach goes to Comic-Con for sure with a name like Brandon Matthews.
That's where you find the girls that with the androids.
You know what's funny? The Android girl got an iPhone. I got a text.
How am I on a YOLO vibe? I'm not even. What are you talking about? My stop loss is like at $200.
Yeah, she texted me from a random number.
First of all, how do you know? I was about to say, how do you know she got an iPhone?
Because she texted me like, you feel me? Like, this is my new number. You feel me? And I was like, who is this? And then she said who she was. And I was like, no. You done fucked.
You're like, damn it. Now I have to talk to her. Now I don't have an excuse anymore.
No. I had a whole new excuse. That's why I haven't talked to her. I have a whole new excuse. She
What is the new excuse?
energy. Energy, like, you know how you could be around somebody and it's just like, you know for a fact it's the last time they're gonna see you. Yeah, bro. Come on, you ain't had to disappear on me.
Bro.
I know you don't really get
No,
that part.
no. You literally couldn't think about nothing else.
It's the
Just
truth.
say you don't like this bitch. But you're just like, it's just the energy.
Nah, see, I know you don't have, you know, that gift of reading, like feeling the energy, because you be fucking with ninjas that make you smoke Black and Milds and cheat on their wives and watch porn and shit right next. You know,
My God.
that's like, you feel me? That comes with, like, you feel me? Reading energy.
Oh no, no. I do. Don't get me wrong. Nowadays I do. That was a long time ago. Why do you think?
Long time ago, ain't it?
Oh yeah, my best friend, who is also actually the Black and Mild guy's best friend, she just texted me the other day talking about him. I thought it was hilarious. But that was like, how old am I? That was literally at the bare minimum 7 years ago that we dated.
Energy is a real thing. I can be around somebody and I already know that they will never see
I
me.
know that, but what I'm saying is that, like, you can't just say that you don't like the bitch, bro. Like, you can literally just say that.
No. It wasn't that. It was literally just the vibe. John Norrie, can I ask a question? Yeah, talk to me, brother. Like, I'm serious. Like, I'm big on, like, energy and vibes. Like, so, like, bro, if I'm not feeling you, I'm not feeling you, bro. I don't care if you got an iPhone. I don't care if you got a Lambo. I don't care if you trying to buy me everything in the world. If I can't stand to be around you, you can keep it.
Oh no, that's a fact. That's why I never got a sugar daddy.
You feel what I'm saying? Coach, you from VA, the disrespect, homie. I ain't gonna lie, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The accent, I have a Virginia accent. What?
Nothing else made Coach crash out. Aside from asking him, he's from Virginia.
Whoa.
Oh, I'm crying.
That's VA for you. I'm 2 up, 2 down all day, no shade, fam. Hell no, hella shade over here, homie. I am from Florida, the crib, South Florida, Miami,
Oh,
Broward.
man.
Y'all don't say grits in Virginia. Y'all don't say vibing in Virginia. Y'all don't got these type of dreads in Virginia.
That actually.
Come on, brother. Nah, but I ain't gonna lie, no shade to VA, bro. I'm just playing, but nah, hell no, bro. I'm Florida. I'm from Florida. I've been to Virginia though. Virginia's cool. That shit was just cold as fuck when I went.
What part of Virginia?
So my little sister, she lives in DC.
Oh, you went up north.
Yeah, but her job is in DC. She lives in Virginia though.
Yeah. DC is very tiny. So, like, when you go to DC, usually I do stay in Virginia, technically.
Bro, the streets out there are crazy. How the fuck be out driving that shit?
I don't.
Yeah.
I live in the South.
Yeah, that shit. That DC, Virginia, Maryland shit. Bro, the streets, I would get lost. There's no fucking.
I don't like driving to DC, to be honest.
Coach from Trophy Club. Damn, what neighborhood is that? That's where I'm trying to be at.
Bro, this sun is literally in my fucking eye right now. Can I put this computer here to, like, block the sun?
John Norton, I locked out my account and tried that. Wait, hold on. But I went 5 days, $200 or more, but I got to pay out and there is no eligible accounts. I locked out my account and tried that way too. What you said? Okay, so you're using Top Step.
You can lock out a bunch of accounts now with the prop, with the, what is it called? The Tradeovate prop now.
You have to, John Norton, hit up support, because I don't want to lie to you and tell you some shit that's not true. Like I 100% know. I haven't used Top Step and I don't know how long. Hit up support and see what they say, because that's the best answer you're gonna get.
You know,
Yeah.
I had a guy ask me today about the TPT rules, and you know what I told him?
Well,
I told him that he should, because he was like, "How did you make the buffer and payout in one day?" And I was just like, "Or what firm did you use for that?" And I answered him, I was like, "TPT," and he's like, "Isn't there a 40% rule?" I was like, "You should read the rules."
oh shit. I will
I was
lie,
like, "You should read the rules."
asking DGens to read is crazy.
And then he was like, "You don't need to be rude." I wasn't rude to you. And I was just like, it's not about being rude. Like, if you're interested in a firm, that is the bare minimum that you should be doing. Is read the rules. That is insane work.
Yeah, John Norton, from what I remember with Top Step, once you get 5 days over like 250 or whatever the case may be, then you can get a payout. But I don't know if they changed their rules. I don't know if they like what's
What
going
was
on.
what was the question?
So he said
Where is it
he's
at?
using Top Step. He went the 5 days, $200 or more, but I got to pay out and there's no eligible accounts. I locked out my account and tried that way too. And he also said
You
he
gotta
made
meet the buffer. If you just did 5 days of 200, you didn't meet the buffer.
Oh, so there's a buffer with Top Step now. See, when I was on Top Step, there was no buffer.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So then, yeah, you probably got to make the buffer, bro. Like what Izzy said, you probably got to go back and read them rules and see if that's what you got to do. Read the rules and see what you got to do. See, I didn't even know that there was a buffer on Top Step nowadays. What's a buffer? A buffer is a profit target that you have to meet before you can actually start getting payouts. So like with TPT, like you have a 50K. So with a 50K, you have to make at least 2 bands before you can start pulling bread out. Apex, you got to make 2100 before you can start pulling bread out.
Same thing with Top Step.
Oh, so, and I guess the same thing with Top Step. So yeah, read rules, Brody, and see. Oh, he says he has 5K in there. Oh, then yeah, I don't know, brother.
Did you request a payout before? Because the new rule is that you have to make whatever you requested the payout plus profit. So if you had made 5K payout, you now have to make 10K to request a 5K payout.
So John Norton, is this your first payout on those accounts, or did you already rip before?
Or they just didn't update yet.
Yes, first on these, but I ripped 10K in 10 days last year. Well, I mean, I'm not talking about what you did last year. I'm talking about for these accounts, so I can answer your question, Brody. 10K in 10 days last year, that's good money right there. But I would ask their support team, so that way you're not lost, to be honest, because I don't use Top Step, Brody. I don't use Top Step. I have the buys, so that way you guys can see. My fault, Izzy. I got the buys here just so you guys can see, so you guys can stop asking if we're in a trade. I'm not in a trade, but I know Izzy is, so I'm just marking out kind of where she entered out.
Yeah, you got it. What did I say? Oh yeah, somebody was asking me about the indicator. Well, you can. It doesn't matter if you're an ICT trader or not. It's going to call out signals, right? That's the whole point of the indicator. I would say that having an idea about what ICT is would help. You know, I am going to put a settings manual. Oh fuck, that's what I forgot to do today. But and if you just want to use the settings on the manual, you can. You don't have to have any idea of how to trade ICT per se. Dish is about to take me out.
I passed the 10-2 there, yeah, but you gotta just ask support, bro. It's their platform, shit. Them boys made a white coach and a cowboy hat. I gotta get a sombrero.
Damn, why did it make you a albino though?
Yeah.
Albino is crazy work.
Albino coach. Okay, so a stop was probably hit there.
Yeah. Which, depending on how we close, I'll get in again. Here.
And that was a nice wicked flip.
That's it. Yeah, it was a nice weekend flip, wasn't it?
I mean, I got room. I made 835. I got room. Let me see if I could.
I got room. Oh, look at him. Look at him. I got room.
Try to see if I could.
Because there's no way we are not even going to make it on that 1 minute gap. Like, that's what I'm really. You feel me?
Nah, I feel you. Feel you for sure. That's not albino coach, it's Brandon Matthews. If you are wondering what to feed him, he likes mayonnaise. But
he likes mayonnaise is diabolical.
Hey, mayonnaise. Say the word, I'll jump back in with you. No, we jumped back in, brother. Well, did you? Because I did.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. We jumped back in.
My stop loss is $60, bro.
And off that way, yeah. We got a pretty tight stop. Let's see if this shit can take us to the top. The top of the top.
At the bare minimum made that fair value gap. Then I'll trail closely once we get there. What is it? 134.
Mm-hmm. Exactly where I'm putting my first target. I'm still trying to target that 165. Let's see, man. Let's see, man. Which indicator would you guys recommend trying for 1 week? I want a 1 week free indicator from you guys. Whatever your trading style is. Whatever your trading style is. Look up the indicators, read about them, and see what type of what fits you. What type of trader are you? I got 60K in 1 week. Good shit, Psycho Danny.
I break
Crazy
even.
motherfucker.
Six, 60K in 1 week. You know what? I'm just gonna stop. Just gonna start fucking doing 150 micros, and y'all watch out.
I know you and Lama have very similar styles, but I was curious about if you guys as a confluence pair with me and Lama actually have the same style. I'm a pay-to-play trader.
Coach and I have a similar style.
Yeah, me and Izzy have a similar style, but me and Lama are identical. But I was curious about if you use. Yeah, I do use ES. I do use ES. These wicks. These wicks giving Barry Sanders. These wicks giving Barry Sanders. Well, I mean, I'm break even, so I care less.
I'm break even too.
Yeah. Yup, see? It's that Barry Sanders shit I was talking about.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like the way we're moving. We're doing this weird kind of like accumulation on knowing if we want to go up or down. But I think we do look more bearish than not. But I would like to see at least the 1 minute get tapped. But I mean, fuck what I want to see, right?
Right. You know, Asia never cared about that, but
Yeah, no. That's why it kind of hurts. I was like, damn, like I could have caught the 500-point move earlier. That shit was so clean. But I was like, there's no way. I do not have the mental capacity to sit here all day right now. I just want to be done.
yeah, we didn't run TAs last night. We could run them tonight for sure.
Yeah, let's do that. Baby, mama is working, honey.
We can run them shits.
Can you go lay down? Yeah, with this price action. Baby, go lay down, please. Oh, that one is so cute. Everybody loved the Sea Easy that I posted on my story.
That shit was low key funny. Ray 2K, you tagging me because you trying to pop out. I can't even invite you to speak. I don't know what that's about. You're not even letting me invite you to speak, Brody. Oh,
Oh, is he timed out? Oh shit. Oh
okay.
shit.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my god, no, you guys did not do a 90-day fiance. That's diabolical. Good thing that I already have my papers.
Dog.
You know, my mom actually asked me to marry somebody to give them papers when I was younger.
What the fuck, mommy on?
They were willing to pay.
Mommy ain't never just auction her daughter off like that. Yo, mommy be tweaking.
It was not even that much. I mean, for me at that time was a lot. It was, I think that he was offering like 30,000 plus all my bills paid. I got offered 25K plus no rent. Shit, see everybody here. Yuck. Yuck is over here. Almost did it. I'm not gonna lie. If I was actually attracted to the dude, I probably would have done it, but I wasn't attracted to him.
That boy was hideous.
Not even. He was just like quite a bit older than I was.
Oh, Jeezy just auctioned her daughter off like, fuck it. You can have her.
Yeah, he was a family friend. Last week.
On hold for
It
2 days now. Open up. I mean, open up. Not open up a support thing, but talk to support, bro.
Yeah.
Your account's being on hold for
Last,
2 days now. How the hell am I supposed to know why it's on hold?
last week, Izzy was telling us how her mom was giving ass whoopings like an MMA fighter, and now she's an auctioneer. Keep the stories coming.
OG is the real deal.
Oh.
Yeah, these wicks, that's what I'm saying. They giving Barry Sanders. But once we do break these wicks, so what?
But you know what is the wildest part? Because my mom actually like my mom had a lot of money. Like the 30,000 wasn't shit.
OG had some pay.
What?
OG had some pay. She was getting to that bag.
Hmm. I'm pretty sure my mom was a millionaire. Or if she hadn't spent as much money as she did, she would have been.
Well, it doesn't have to be liquid, but if that's what she earned, that's the same
Yeah,
thing.
because just the house, she pretty much paid off the house. The house was like a good like seven to 800K alone.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah. So
That's
yeah,
cool.
she didn't need the fucking money whatsoever. That was but she literally kicked me out of the house. She after I dated that guy that I told you guys, the first one that she didn't like, she stopped paying for all of my shit. She was so mad that I dated that guy, the Colombian guy. That's when she kicked me out of the house. She was like, nah.
Down for dating the Colombian dude.
Yeah. Because she said that he was lazy. And granted, I didn't see it at the time, but he was. Because, like, he never paid for anything. Even on my birthday, my mom would literally give us a gift card for him to take me out because he wouldn't even take me out on my birthday.
Izzy, you got some very good taste in ninjas, boy. Yeah, you see these
That
women.
was my first boyfriend. I didn't know any better. I know a Brandon would have taken care of you. It's crazy work.
Oh yeah, you know that boy Brandon. That boy Brandon's a good guy, man. He a real one.
Okay, there's a difference between taking somebody out and taking somebody out for their birthday.
Bro, if he didn't take you out on your birthday, I know he didn't take you out at all. That's like the
Yeah.
one day you got to, bro. Like,
That's what I'm saying, because like 10 had said, I don't take my girl out. I'm like, okay, but do you not even take her out on her birthday? That was OD.
wait, 10 head, you don't take your girl out? What? And she goes for that?
Hell no.
And she goes for that. Like, she's like, boy,
That is
10 head, you better take your girl out.
she gonna cheat on you, bro.
Bro, you better take her to fucking Outback for somebody to take her to Pound Town. Then you gonna be really hurt. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Pick your poison, bro. Take her to a restaurant or somebody gonna take her to Pound Town.
I'm dead.
100%, homie. Let's get somebody up here for these TAs. Coach, you say you got 200 points in pre-market, but price moved 80 points during pre-market. Wonder how you did it. No, I said I got 200 points, and I mentioned it in pre-market because I posted my trade in the chat. I actually caught 240 something points based off of what I said in pre-market.
Dudes out here really like I'm dead.
Can you explain in trading terms what do you mean by Pound Town? So basically, either either take her out or that fair value gap's gonna get filled. There's gonna be a bullish engulfing right through that fair value gap, and you're gonna be sick because now you blew your account. So let that go over your head.
All because you didn't want to take like your TP.
All because you didn't want to hit your TP. See? 10 head, man, be safe out here, man. It's a dirty game out here, man.
It's not even dirty. It's like, bro, okay, you don't have to take her out, but like, you better be doing some cute shit, some like movie night, something.
Listen, these dimes is getting greased for less. Take your fucking dime out, bro.
He said, what can I do with $4?
Or you can do a lot with $4. I know you already got groceries in there. Whip some shit up. Play the music she like.
Whipped cream. You can do whipped cream with $4.
Cream, yeah, and fucking eat butt.
Exactly.
That should give you at least like a couple months of no pound time. I'm in Alaska.
Whipped cream is not.
Brother, I can't help you, brother. This talk aloud on YouTube. Are you gonna tell on me?
Oh my god! Yeah, we can't help you. Never mind. Just forget. Go. What are you guys doing in Alaska? Go pull
ice
some
fishing.
fish out of water. Go ice fishing. There we go.
Go ice
and
fishing.
Give her a fish. There we go. I'm black.
Testing these shorts, I can't lie.
Oh my god. I'm literally screaming. Okay. Oh my god. So what? You know what? You got it. That explains why she's still with you, though.
Brother, I want you to know if you were in Florida, you would be cooked. I don't know how they rock in Alaska. Oh, we're dumping. Damn it. I'm at a 786. I have to pay myself. I have to. It's embedded in me.
We inverted the gap.
So puts me at about 1,100 per account right now. And let's see if we can get the dump. Ain't no chance I'm gonna be out on the ice. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. We trying to do everything to help you out. What does you being black have to do anything? You're in Alaska. You already are doing some non-black shit. You don't live in Alaska, bro.
No prenup needed.
You already unorthodox, my boy. You might as well go ice fishing. You might as well
go ice fishing.
Build a snowman or some crazy shit.
Yo, I'm literally fucking crying. No watermelons in Alaska is insane work.
Right. There's no, bro. Is there an Alaskan grape that I don't know about? Hey, 10 Head, what do y'all do in Alaska, bro? I'm trying to help you out here, bro. You not taking your dime out to eat is crazy, bro. We grown, bro. How old are you, 10 Head?
To be fair, if I was in Alaska, I wouldn't go out to eat either. Just saying, like, it sounds too miserably cold to do anything.
Yeah, but if you lived there, then it wouldn't even be miserably cold because you used to it. Like, if I go to Alaska, I'm not going anywhere. But I'm from Florida, though. 60 degrees is, I'm not going outside weather. He's been there 14 years and you 23, bro. We grown, homie. You gotta take your dime out, bro. Oh, got taken out of that trade.
I got in for buys again, but I'm already break even. So I'm like,
-20 is still. I ain't gonna lie, you making a lot of excuses, brother. I hope you know. I hope you trust your girl. Cause if Brandon Matthews here, we going outside.
Brandon Matthew.
If Brandon
I bet
Matthews
you
here,
I bet you doesn't even want to go outside in Alaska.
don't let Brandon Matthews get your girl to Florida, homie. Ooh, he not gonna fuck with me no more. He gonna badmouth me in the chat.
You kind of deserve it.
He gonna badmouth me in the chat if Brandon Matthews got something to do with it. But luckily, this is Coach. So yeah, hey, man.
I am my lungs again. Like I keep getting stopped out at break even, so like I'm not really losing money and I'm not making money.
Yeah, I'm easy shorts, good shit. Shrimp scampi.
Yeah, PA's ass. We're just kind of like accumulating, taking the lows, taking the highs, slowly making our way down. I don't know what the fuck we want to do.
My boy Rich Pocket said, "Gotta watch your back for wild moose and bears."
You know, I really like this show called It Me about Alaska, that this girl got attacked by a wolf while she was walking to work. That kind of traumatized me. A moose would definitely come after your ass for no reason. They call me Moose. Oh God. Yeah, PA waiting for it 7 p.m. for sure.
It's very, very, very wiki, bro.
The TP can stay on the chart if you manually put it because it's just a pending order at that point. Like if you close manually and you put your TP manually, your TP will become a limit or a stop order. Are you gonna house me when I get down there?
Let's ask the real question. She bad? Because if not, that could be why. Bro, if you are laying next to a girl that you feel is ugly, bro, like are y'all settling as a grown man is crazy work.
To be fair, if you're in Alaska, you don't have that many options.
Damn, why she doing Alaska like that? Come on, man. It's bad bitches everywhere, bro. It's bad bitches everywhere. But you should not settle, bro. As men, let me give y'all some game, bro. We kings, homie. We don't settle, bro. You go for what you want, bro. If you feel like she's ugly or you feel like she's not doing what you need to do, bro, get a new one. You're 23. You got time.
In Alaska, bro, what do you think they're doing over there?
Bro, there's pretty bitches everywhere, bro. There's bad bitches everywhere, bro. Coach, I forgot to ask earlier, how was your day today? It was good. 722 on all the PAs.
Humping mooses is insane work.
Who the hell said some crazy shit like that?
No.
What 10 Head said, she's right. 99% of these bitches are ugly as fuck. So is your girl the 1%? So you telling me your girl's the 1%, right?
Wait till he get to Miami, and when he realized that a 10 in Alaska is a 2 in Miami.
Damn, EC. That's a real white boy right there. EC gave me blonde wigs and all.
She was a solid 6.5.
Who said he's? You told your girl she's a solid 6.5 on a worldwide scale. And she goes for that.
And you're not taking her out. Your dick game must be like, oh my god, I'm crying.
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I thought I was hard on the bitch, boy.
They rather I lie to her. Yo, that dick must be fire, because there ain't no way.
Hey, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You got it, bro. You got it, bro. Just take your 6.5 out to a movie or some shit.
You take your 6.5 to a
Do something for that girl. She holding it down, bro.
Is she the one paying for your funded accounts? Because if you only got $4, because if she's paying for your funded accounts, then she becomes a 10. What the fuck do you mean funded? Never mind.
Hoodie $504 $1.99 tip, and when all else fails, use back pay. Right. Right. We appreciate the tip, Hoodie 504.
Man. Remember, it's not the size of the penis, it's the size of the bank account that matters.
This shit is choppy.
I was just reading. I didn't say that.
My bad. My mom is asking me a lot of fucking shit right now.
What does she want to know?
So we having like a family, like
Oh, damn,
we do
this
like
shit is dumping.
yeah, this shit's dumping. Yeah, I'm pretty much done for the night. We have like a family trip that we go on like every summer, and just asking about B&Bs and
That
Shit
sounds
like
like
that.
fun.
Yeah, we do it every year, bro. It's always a fucking ball.
That's cute. Are you guys wearing matching t-shirts?
No, we don't wear matching t-shirts, even though we should. She said, "Let me guess, y'all make shirts. What's wrong with wearing matching t-shirts with your family?"
Yes, he's black.
It's a black family thing. No, we wear matching t-shirts at funerals and shit like that, bro. Not at a fucking family vacation at a B&B. We just gonna walk around with the same shirt on at a B&B. At funerals, I bet. At the repast, I bet. But nah, not family vacay.
I left for a lot of things.
Bro, that short from the 505 1 minute test to the fair value gap roll 50 points. Thanks, coach. Taking my profits to New York. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Yeah, so you got a better entry than me on that short, so I got taken out B and E. But that shit is definitely still playing out. I took partials at the 786. I'm up 1,100 on these accounts for the day, so I'm pretty okay with that. I don't mind taking my profits into New York. I definitely don't mind taking my profits in New York. Right, boss of the sticks. Yep. I ain't gonna lie, no, I don't think nobody wants to do it because I mentioned it like 3 or 4 times and nobody said nothing. Coach, how much you charging for the pre-market now? We haven't. We're still trying to figure things out. We're trying to make sure everything is fair, and especially for the new people and all, kind of shit like that. We haven't made the announcement yet, but we're probably gonna make the announcement probably by the end of the week, so that way it's solidified. Cash Money Trader, she might. PA sucks right now. Hell yeah, PA does suck, but it looks like it chose its direction. They go that 7 p.m.
Volume. Yeah.
Already down like 200 ticks. I miss Coach speaking Portuguese. When did I ever? Oh, Piriguete. That's the only Portuguese word I know. That's the only one Izzy taught me, bro. I'm supposed to be fluent by now.
I talked on other words too. Piranha. Remember?
Oh, piranha.
There we go.
Piranha. Piranha and Piriguete.
Piranha, piriguete, puta.
Puta?
Yeah, there we go. So that's 3. What else?
I didn't know puta was Portuguese. I thought that was well, I guess, yeah, I guess you're right. Podcast EP going up this evening for your information. Oh, okay, perfect. Appreciate you, Doc. Thanks for letting me know. Piranha.
I'm about to attack my piranha. It's crazy work. Oh my goodness, look at the puppies. Are those real puppies? Oh, Asian market now open. That is diabolical. I'm not gonna like that anymore. That is evil. I'm traumatized. Hey, investigation is done. Looks like we are good to unban you. Welcome back. You can please open a support ticket and ask for the dispute manager.
That's tough. Jay Hong, good shit, bro. Payout eligible sub 734 per funded. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, homie. Yo, this short is shorting, and I got strat 6, bro. I'm trying to keep my cool, but I'm really hurt, bro.
Let's do something to entertain Coach so he stopped looking at his shorts.
Yo, I'm really hurt by that shit, bro. Good shit, Jay Hong.
I'm not shaking ass, at least not over here anyway. SEAL team.
Pass first
Oh,
one with MFF 519. Good shit. That's John
coach,
Trade.
they want you to shake your ass.
YouTube. YouTube. Because I was gonna go off the hinges, boy. Not even Brandon Matthews would, but Brandon Matthews is a stand-up person. He's just from the mountains of Caucasus. He's not
He's a
from
stand-up person is insane.
he's just from the mountains of Caucasus, bro. He's just not from Florida. Florida. Cause what do you think about Lucid Direct? The only Lucid that I've used is Flex. So I haven't looked at the rules to Lucid Direct or anything like that. I've only grabbed Lucid Flex accounts because I fuck with Flex. I'm not gonna lie.
Good.
I don't know what the Direct is like any other. Oh, so it's a straight to fund it. My thoughts on straight to fund it. I mean, if you do it, do it. My thoughts on it is just like I don't mind passing an account for like fucking 60% of the price that a straight to funded is.
I'm literally traumatized. I did a straight to funded one time, and that shit is 20% consistency. I literally could not get a payout, and I could not blow the account for 120 days.
Yeah, see, like I'm Flex. I just gotta pay for the eval. I could pass in 2 days. I think I need 5 days with $150, and then I can start pulling out bread. Grab 5 of those.
Yeah. After that, I never did a straight to fund anymore. I was like, bro, this is ridiculous. It's like I cannot blow the account and I cannot make money. Oh, God, I'm tired.
I ain't gonna lie, you too. I ain't forget, bro. If I refresh this screen and them lights ain't where I want to see it, bro. I'm telling you. Discord will be getting the love, bro. 240 people here and 80 likes is crazy work. I'm asking to click a thumb. I'm gonna start asking y'all for bread. That's basically what y'all think I'm doing is asking y'all for $1. Matter of fact, let me get $1. There's 240 people in here, but that's a nice 250, man. Let me get $1, man.
You're not getting nothing out of 10 head.
But I'm still surprised at that kid. Damn, look at this dump. Ooh, look what we just swept. Ooh, hold on. Hold on. That way Coach might get in a late night buy. Look what we just swept. Hold on, let me see how much. Oh, I might have to. How much is this risk? I bet. That's a bet. That's a bet. That's a bet. You said, here you go. Let me see it, baby. Let me see, bro. All right, bet YouTube. That's more like it, bro. YouTube, do me a favor. I need everybody to spam coach with a K. Spam coach,
Hey.
man. Got a minute on the clock. Yeah, that was a crazy ass dump. I like what ES just touched, and I like what we just grabbed on NQ. So I want to see if we can catch the explosion. Yes, I am in buys from 40. Did me dirty with that wick out. but I'm in pretty light. Got about 20 more seconds, YouTube. All right, let's see. We have Neologics. Let me go ahead and Neologics, congratulations, bro. You won a free indicator for a week. Open up a support ticket. The mods will take care of you. Come to the Discord. Congratulations. W's for Neologics. W's for Neologics.
Hell yeah.
Soon as we inverse this fair easy at 49, I will be going break even because we should continue to go. That'll be us breaking back into my fib, and we should have no fear. Oh, look at that.
You're.
Look at that. Oh, Lord.
Oh, no. That wick, it was diabolical right now.
John Wick. W for Neologic, man. Congratulations, Brody. Break even. That Wick, it was only right, bro. I ain't got time to play with this shit. This shit is dumping. Discord. On y'all last. I am break even on that trade, guys. I got hit out. I got taken out break even. After the explosion candle like that and the wick like that, it's the smartest thing to do. Got to know trade management on the fly. Got to. All right, let's see YouTube. I mean, not YouTube, Discord. Should I have them? What should be the challenge, Izzy? What should be the challenge?
What should be the challenge? That's a great question.
This coach guy definitely bullshitting. How I'm bullshitting? I
Who
want you
said
to
that?
tell me how Bashar Saleh. How am I bullshitting, Brody? Let me know so I can clarify it for you.
Nah, I'm about to have my period. I'm ready to fight.
Oh shit! See,
Who we banning?
I have Izzy fuck you up, homie. I don't mind getting back in. I just need to see a retest of 42. If we do what we're doing, if we keep doing what we're doing right now, unless we wick out. If we wick out, I'm 100% not looking at this shit no more. See what can happen in the next 22 seconds. What should be the challenge, Izzy? Get me up, let me 1v1 trade with you. Why? What does that do, brother? What exactly does that do? And I'm about to get off in 15 minutes.
What?
He said he wants to one-on-one trade with me. The fuck is he talking about? Do you think it's a competition? You think I'm trying to battle you? We not doing that, homie. The name of the game is get a payout. I've gotten 3 this month. I ain't got to battle
Actually,
nobody.
that reminds me, I gotta go request my payout. Let's see.
I ain't got to battle nobody, homie. Me versus me. Me versus me.
Yeah, you guys be on like this dicking measuring competition that I generally do not get, bro. That is how you end up blowing your account. Like you feel like you just need validation instead of just trying to better yourself. It's insane work. And you want a validation from another man? That is gay as fuck.
Crazy. Knowing that my shit drag on the floor. Are you crazy?
Like if you need validation, go ask your mom, bro.
Knowing my shit drag on the floor. Is you crazy? That ain't a competition that you wanna get in with me, brother.
Like y'all be too focused on other people's shit. Like it's insane.
Right, you feel me, Sammy G? Boy, that boy ain't a Bronco like me, man. I'm an award-winning horse, and almost said something. I forgot where I was at for a minute. Hold on.
I forgot where I was at.
Hold on, boy. Hold on.
Bring Brandon back with.
Yeah, I need Brandon back there. Hold on, bro. Let me go get Brandon real quick. Hey, yo, hey. Yeah, guys, I sent Coach to the room. We got to take a chill pill.
Brandon got a micro is insane.
I'm good for the night. 11:41. Good shit, Justin.
Oh man.
Damn, no challenge. So I'm gonna just pick a number. Is that what you saying, is it?
No, make them do the sea lion.
You fuck with that sea lion, huh?
It's highly entertaining.
look at the picture of Beaver. Drop that gangster shit. Hey. Right, bro. Habibi do it every time, bro. That's
You're
my boy
doing
right there.
dirty.
Who got the best sea lion?
Yeah. Who were the best sea lion?
You know,
That's
well,
not from Sam. The second best sea lion.
Yeah, Sammy G. Yeah, we know, brother. We know, brother. My girl says she does. How bad does your girl love you? Would she help you get a 50K TBT? She come and do that sea lion for the guys?
I'll hit that shit in this note. Let's get
Oh,
10 head.
10 head? All right, bro.
10 head. Like poor guy has $4 in his account. Let's see his sea lion. So you gotta do the sea lion as if like you gotta put your back into it. Like as your rent is due tomorrow.
Guys, this buy is buying right now. I can't even lie. This buy is buying right now.
$4.02 is diabolical.
Coach, show your 3 payouts. I did, brother. Follow me on the ground. Coach, pay to play.
Do you want him to show his dick too? Like the fuck?
10 head. Talk to me.
Y'all pissing me off today. Y'all coming for coach or I'm a fight.
I ain't gonna lie, is he coming for coach? Pause, bro. Pause, bro. Pause, bro. 10 head, what happened, bro? Sammy G, you ain't get that boy the belt, did you? Where was your entry? So when I told you guys, if we don't wick out and we inverse this gap right here, I'm clicking the button. My exact entry is at 44. 44 is my exact entry. 44.50 to be exact. And this shit is sliding.
Here.
This shit is sliding right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pay myself there because of all those wicks, and that's obviously where the last selling pressure was at.
Hi, baby. I know. Mama's almost done, okay? She's just gonna watch some sea lions, okay? Oh, baby.
Hey, thin head, bro.
Stop.
I can't hear you.
That's fine. We don't need to hear him. We just need to see the sea lion.
Go hit that sea lion in the snow, man. And head, boy, you got some nerve, boy. I ain't even gonna lie. You got some fucking nerve.
Bro, stop licking me.
My next parcel is going to be 84. 84 will be my next parcel.
Ow,
Parcel out of some there. Let me see right here. Yup, 84. Put a limit there. I'm 100% break even. And we chilling.
All right, he's about to hit the sea lion. No, we cannot watch it. We can't see you.
Hey, you gotta put it down a little bit.
Yeah, put it down a little bit. There we go. Now we can see it. Perfect.
Oh, that boy was not playing.
He was not playing. There we go. Yeah, we're good now. Production, are you guys recording this, please? That boy really wanted to fund the account.
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie. That's why I work, but congratulations, bro. Open up a support ticket. We got a 50K TBT coming your way. Hey, when you get a payout, bro, take your fucking girl to the movies, bro. If you could see lion in the snow, you gonna have a picnic in the snow, homie. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Ain't gonna lie, bro. I need to talk to your girl. Nah. I need to talk to your girl, bro. I feel like
You're gonna tell her to break up with him?
No, of course not. Hell no. I'm a W man. I'm a W man. But I gotta see, why is he doing this lady like that?
A solid 6.5.
It's wicked.
A solid 6.5 is diabolical. If a man ever said that I was a solid 6.5, bro,
that's
you would never see me again.
I wouldn't even be. You say some shit like that, you automatically gotta. Cause what? Bro, to tell your girl, bro, you're a solid 6.5 across the world is wild. CC, don't get him, CC. CC, don't get him. Chill on him, CC.
No, he said that he's a solid 5, so.
Hey, don't do it, CC, bro. Don't do it, bro. Yeah, you do need a haircut. You got that Corbin blue going on.
Kicking him in the nuts and flushing his phone down the toilet is diabolical, CC.
For sure. For sure. Yeah, I don't even. Well, me personally, I don't cuff 6.5s. So I would never imagine me saying some shit like that. But hey, man, if that's what you think of her, bro, that's what you think of her, bro. But I need to talk to this woman, bro.
I need to talk to this woman.
Yeah, bro. Because I gotta see if you just doing her bad trolling, or if you dead serious.
Cece said, I need to talk to her too.
Right.
Yes, you did win a 50K TPT.
Yeah, you
Open
want
a
a 50K
support
TPT,
ticket.
Brody. 50K TPT, Brody. Let me pull it
And
up.
then we said for you to take her out once you get a
Yes.
payout.
Get a payout. And can you cook 10 head?
I'll take her out just for the account. You're
That's a bad man. Yuck said he does not look like he cooks.
yes,
that
I
boy,
cook. I can't afford to eat out.
that boy definitely looks like he seasons the chicken with salt and pepper.
Bailey.
10 head, you look like you don't know how to make no rice. You don't know how to make no good flaky rice.
I almost burned the house down 2 days ago cooking.
Give Alaskan dude some winning recipes to get some coochie. I tried to, but he was shutting down everything that I said.
We said whipped cream. You don't even need to
Flaky
know how to cook.
So Athena, flaky means that the rice isn't mushed together and sticking together. Like all the grains fall off. Like good rice. That's what flaky means. Like it doesn't look like rice pudding. I could hit the spoon on the pot and all the flakes is gonna fall off. That's what that means.
Riot, don't bite your brother, please.
School me, get me culture. Athena, bro. Why would I want rice pudding? No, I don't use rice. I use water in a fucking pot. And I know how to
Yeah,
make
no,
rice.
in Brazil too. We don't do sticky rice. Like it has to be flaky.
Yeah, that shit gotta fall like right off the spoon.
Yeah.
Athena, you're basically telling me I need to learn how to make rice pudding.
No, she's saying that you need to do Asian rice because Asian rice is sticky.
I love Asian rice. I'm not gonna lie. I'm about it. Athena. Yeah, teach me how to make Asian rice. I'm about it.
Yes, we do wash the rice in Brazil.
You're supposed to always wash your rice, bro. I think the only thing that I don't wash is ground beef. Cause I don't even know how you gonna wash that. But everything else. Sammy G said, wait, you wash meat? The fuck? Oh, brother. Right, ground beef, you gotta drop it straight in the pan. Bro, Sammy G, bro. And you wonder why you're tearing your fucking ACL every 2 weeks. You're eating, you gotta clean the animal, bro. Because if I say the other thing, then y'all gonna start pausing me around in the soup.
Damn, your chicken's bad. Why are you calling her 6.5? That is diabolical.
And a strainer, coach. Yeah, Miss K911. Yeah. You gotta put that bitch in a strainer. Frank from UK, what's good, bro? You say, coach, what's up, Brody? Holla at me.
I do boil my hot dogs. You guys don't boil your hot dogs? That's like washing them.
I boiled glizzies before, but to eat them
Yeah.
back in the days when I did.
But boiling something is just like washing it. Because you're like taking all the yucky stuff out.
I fry them. I ain't gonna lie, I fry them.
I boil them first and then I fry them.
I don't know about that one, is it?
Yeah, to take this yucky stuff out. Like literally, once you boil the hot dogs, the water is literally red. It's disgusting.
Sammy G, I'm not gonna lie, bro. After what you just told me, if you on the grill, bro, I might have to miss out on the plate, bro. I might have to, bro, because you're not
I
washing
promise.
your-
Like you don't have to wash the hot dogs for like boil them for long, but like you boil them for like a couple minutes to get the yucky stuff out.
Sammy G, bro. Sammy G, wash your chicken, bro. Wash your steak. Wash your fucking pork
Would you
shoulder.
consider marinara as washing it? Because you do put vinegar on a marinara or something like or like lime. Did you freeze?
I can't even hold it no more, bro. Listen, bro. Washing chicken with marinara sauce, Izzy. You gotta chill. You gotta chill, bro.
No, I'm asking if you consider that as washing it. Like what? Because you said you use vinegar.
So yeah, vinegar and lime. Vinegar and lime. Got to. Vinegar,
I'm
lime, water.
asking if he considers that as washing.
Oh,
I didn't
Sammy
say
G.
I do.
Are you talking about Sammy G?
No, I'm talking about you. Like if you because somebody said I don't fucking know what happened. I'm just asking if you consider that as washing it.
Hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no. Vinegar and lime. Vinegar and lime. Coach, I listened to you in bot flex, not direct. Good shit, Brody. Read the rules. Read the rules, Brody.
Yeah, I rinsed the chicken.
All right, I'm out of that trade, by the way. That dump was literally pointless, but I'm glad I paid myself. This is exactly where it dumped from last time. So, I mean, hey, it is what it is. That's an extra 1,400 on these accounts.
You're
Write out the package for a mayo wash. Oh, Dan, you're not whipping up the steak like that, bro. I know you're not. Aco's real barbecue down. That rib do look good.
They have you chasing a chicken. That is diabolical.
You ain't cooked that steak. That boy cooked that.
Hey, hey. Calm down. Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, when I'm making steak on the stove, I get the color. I get the color from the stove, and then I put it in the oven so it can get tender.
Stop.
Yeah.
Hey, stop.
It's a free game for y'all, man. That's a free game.
Riot, leave your brother alone, please.
But yeah, man, that is another MOT happy hour complete. Another MOT happy hour complete. I think how many trades did we call, Izzy?
I have no idea.
All green, though.
I got a lot of break evens. I think I got one. I got one green and a shit ton of break evens. That's why I lost count because I was like, it was a break even.
Well, that still counts as green. I think we call like 4 or 5 trades. They all played out for something. But price action was just, I ain't gonna lie, it was just terrible.
Trash. Hey.
But listen, man, if you guys did make money with us, congratulations. Take your profits into New York, switch accounts, do whatever the fuck you gotta do. Do not put more strain on the account trying to chase trades that don't make sense. If you guys didn't take any trades, money miss is not money. Damn, what's that? What's that, ball, Dan? Is that a Rice Krispie treat? A brownie? Rice Krispie treat, brownie, BDK. See, I knew I wasn't tripping. Damn, that shit looks gas. You made that? I heard you was a real deal chef. Damn, Sammy G. That thick ass chicken. That chicken got hips. That chicken got thighs. Chocolate cream cheese icing. My girls made it for my B-Day. They want to do a challenge. Damn, your daughters did that? That's
Damn.
fire. That's fire. That's fucking fire. And I already see it's halfway done, so I know that shit was good. I know that shit was good. It looked good. Yeah, I'm about to make some. I'm about to make some wings today. About to make some wings today. But yeah, guys, if you guys are still trading, trade safe. Proper risk management, proper trade management. Do what you got to do. Don't be an idiot during Asia. It makes no sense. If you guys didn't take any trades, money missed is not money lost. Don't need to go on tilt trying to FOMO into anything. If you guys did lose money, it happens. It's all part of the game. Chin up, chest out. Come back to New York with a new mindset. Don't put any more strain on your accounts. Switch accounts. Lock yourself out of accounts. Do what you got to do to keep you alive. But that's what it's all about, having skin in the game. If you guys did blow your accounts, make sure you guys are using code BDM with our partner prop firms that we have. If you guys are going to buy an account anyways, you might as well support the bros and get a crazy ass discount that come with it too. If you guys are using TPT, use code P2P or BDM, your choice. Make sure you guys tip the staff. Tip the staff. They work solely off tips. They do their thing in here. They hold it down every single day in here. They don't fuck off. And they hold it down every single day. They're committed every single day, and it is very, very, very much appreciated. Make sure you guys are checking out the Max Options Trading website, www.maxoptionstrading.com, where it has everything that you need there for you. As far as with the indicators, if you want to check out some of the indicators, I know some people in YouTube had a question about the indicators. Go on the Max Options Trading website. It has all the indicators there. You can read up on it, see what your style of trading is, so that way you can grab the right one that fits your trading style. All right. You can also get the course on one of our courses on the Max Options Trading website. You can get the P2P course. You can get Izzy's high and low model. You can get Logan's battalion. You can get the Mastermind course. Whatever your style of trading is, we definitely have a course for it. And you can invest in your education, which I recommend everybody to do because it cuts the trading journey in half instead of trying to figure it out trials and tribulations. If you guys need a coaching, make sure you guys get yourself aligned with a mentor. You can get a coaching from me. You can get a coaching from Izzy. You can get a coaching from Javi, Logan, Jake. Like I said, whatever your style of trading is, we have all different types of flavors in this Discord, and we definitely have the mentor for it. Whatever your style is, lock in with the mentor that sees fit and upgrade your game. That's pretty much it. I think Izzy has some boot camp announcements as well. Go ahead, Izzy.
Yeah. So tomorrow is the last day for you guys to purchase the boot camp. The boot camp will start on the 4th of April. So you only have until tomorrow at midnight to purchase it. For obvious reasons, we're starting the boot camp on the 4th, and it's going to be 4 weekends or 4 Saturdays on a roll. So I cannot take anybody else after that date because I want everybody to start on the same date and finish on the same date. If you do purchase my course, you do have access to the boot camp for free up into the 1st. After the 1st, they're going to be 2 separate things. But I'm grandfathering everybody up into then. And if you do purchase my course or the boot camp, you are going to have 1 week for free of the indicator. It's coming up soon. We don't have a release date just yet, but yeah. And aside from that, we're working on some fun things. Yeah, keep an eye on my IG for any other updates. That is
Lock in
it.
with Izzy. Lock in with that boot camp. Everybody in here know Izzy do not fuck off. Everybody know what Izzy does, and she do that shit very, very, very well. One of probably the most profitable women in the game. And one of the baddest. So y'all lock in with Izzy. Y'all lock in with Izzy. Pay attention to Instagram. Make sure you follow us on our socials. Coach Pay to Play and Isabel Costavel.
Yeah.
All right then. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning pre-market. I will be seeing you guys in the morning. YouTube, Discord. I'll be catching y'all in the comment section, man. Habiba, drop that player shit, man.
She said take a left on Rodeo, only with the bros see the rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know where the B2Ps go. The OGs go there. I just found my people, I just found my people, yeah. The Underground Railroad, Underground Railroad, yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, catching all these Porsches, what the play, roll up on the black, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place. Oh yeah, yeah. I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G, and we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know where the B2Ps, where the BCPs. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Ocean Izzy, they know where the BTPs, where the BTPs go.